Hello, Hollywood Taschen viewers. Welcome back to another thrilling episode where we bring you the latest updates from the world of TV shows and movies. Today, we have some exciting news about Cobra Kai Season 6. Get ready to dive into the world of martial arts as we reveal the teams competing in the highly anticipated Sekai Taikai tournament. Let's get started. Cobra Kai Season 6 is gearing up to be the most intense and action-packed season yet. One of the major highlights is the Sekai Taikai tournament, an international martial arts competition that will test the skills of our favorite characters like never before. Let's take a look at the teams that will be competing. First up, we have the iconic Cobra Kai Dojo. Led by the relentless Sensei John Kreese and the ambitious Terry Silver, Cobra Kai is known for its strike first, strike hard, no mercy philosophy. With talented fighters like Tori Nichols and Robbie Keane, Cobra Kai is a force to be reckoned with. Next, we have Miyagi-Do Karate, led by the wise and compassionate Daniel LaRusso and his dedicated student Samantha LaRusso. Rooted in the teachings of Mr. Miyagi, Miyagi-Do focuses on defense, balance, and respect. With the addition of Miguel Diaz and Hawk, Miyagi-Do is ready to take on any challenge. Joining the fray is Eagle Fang Karate, founded by the ever-determined Johnny Lawrence. Eagle Fang's approach combines the best of Cobra Kai's aggression with Miyagi-Do's principles. With students like Miguel Diaz and new recruit Devon Lee, Eagle Fang aims to prove that they are a formidable contender. But the competition doesn't stop there. The Sekai Taikai tournament will also feature international teams, bringing in the best martial artists from around the world. These teams will showcase a variety of fighting styles and techniques, adding a global flavor to the tournament. The stakes have never been higher as each team brings their unique strengths and strategies to the mat. Fans can expect intense battles, surprising alliances, and dramatic twists as the teams vie for the ultimate prize in martial arts glory. Cobra Kai Season 6 promises to deliver edge-of-your-seat action and heartfelt moments as our favorite characters face their greatest challenges yet. Will Cobra Kai continue its reign of terror? Can Miyagi-Do uphold the legacy of Mr. Miyagi, or will Eagle Fang rise to the top? The Sekai Taikai tournament will decide it all. That's it for today's update. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Hollywood Taschen for the latest news and updates on your favorite TV shows and movies. Let us know in the comments which team you're rooting for in the Sekai Taikai tournament. Until next time, keep fighting the good fight.